Why are you screaming at me? Oh my goodness! What are we doing, man? What are we doing? Yeah, say I love you. Oh, you're gonna give me kiss? You going to scream again? Oh my goodness, what a happy boy. Are you a happy boy? Yes, I know. This, you got your brother screaming? Do you got your brother screaming? I hear him. Don't say asshole, that's not nice. Oh my goodness, look at that big bird. Where's Herbie? There he is. Oh, now he's quiet. No, will you stay that way is the question. No. I say probably not. I'm gonna drive my mommy crazy. Okay.